with the who do you need help with this? Of course, it's going to be your CPA. Always consult with your CPA, your tax strategist, if you have a CFO or some type of CFO, then talk with them. Make sure that your financials are clean, right? Also, a business, an appraiser, so that you know the fair market value of all of your assets within the business. Those are the professional that should help you navigate through all of this.
And then we also want to make sure, I want to add that we always want to make sure we have a good solid contract or business attorney that's going to be in place, because they're going to be the ones to actually take a look at any contracts that you have outstanding or with vendors or customers or clients or anything, and make sure that everything transitions over smoothly from a documentation standpoint.
Correct.
Of course, they're not going to be the ones that will always advise, okay, hey, you should do an asset sale or you should do a stock sale, but they definitely need to be in the room when it comes to looking over that documentation.
But if you are able to make these elections, such as the Section 338 election for a corporation, or a Section 336E for individual, or for individual and S corp, those can actually help you make a stock sale is treated as a asset sale with the IRS. So it creates kind of like a hybrid structure,
right,
where on paper it's an actual surrender of the entire company.
Right.
On the tax side, it's a deemed asset sale.
Yeah.
So the buyer gets all of those favorable terms like depreciation, goodwill amortization, and all those things.
Not waiting until you're ready to go out the door. 6 months from now, you're ready to sell the business and get out of it, but you always want to make sure that you're starting. We like to see a 3 to 5 year time span that gives us a longer runway to really get in there and start doing some planning and making sure that we have all the right people in the room so that you can exit on your terms as a business owner and as a founder.
Right. So the earlier you start, the better you prepare for it. And like Jeremy said, what we want to help you with, especially business owner, is we want to help them exit on their term. Whatever that is, transferring that to a legacy to their children, or they actually looking to sell.